Hello students, last 15 years paper analysis from coordinate geometry chapter. So as for this current academic year, only two exercises are there, distance formula and section formula, and one more concept, basic concept of equation of straight line is similar to linear equation in two variable. But in distance formula around 56 questions and in section formula 64 questions. We'll discuss section wise. Section A you can expect distance between 2 points or point on x-axis whose distance from particular origin is 7 units like that. And in section B always learn a problem related with the 2 points. Distance between AB is 10 centimeter, find the missing coordinate or write the relation like that, and point on y-axis or x-axis, find the missing value. That type of problem in section B. And section C you can expect points related with problem related with 3 points, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, right angled isosceles triangle, scalene triangle and collinear. Apart from this, 3 non-collinear points are given, find the circumcenter and circumradius. These are all the standard 3-mark questions, but tough 3-mark question is find the third vertex of an equilateral triangle, find the third vertex of an isosceles triangle, and a 5-mark question you can expect from this section, find the opposite vertices of a square like that. Also, if you practice 4 points problem related problems, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, and these 4 are very important problems related with 4 points. And sometimes if 4 points are given, identify whether it is a quadrilateral or not. If it is a quadrilateral, find the type. Sometimes the given points may not form a quadrilateral. That type of question is there in NCERT as well as board questions. So focus on both the exercise to get full mark in coordinate geometry. Thank you. Good news for students of class 8 to 10 CBSE and state board. If you are preparing for board exam or JEE or NEET, so join our Telegram channel Marvel classes for free sample papers and short tricks videos and sample papers for annual exams. Also join our Telegram channel exclusive for math question papers and math videos. And if you want to check concepts through videos, join our Telegram channel for mathematics, Marvel maths, for science subject, Marvel classes. If you want in videos in Tamil, Marvel classes Tamil. Marvel classes Tamil. Here the videos are only in Tamil. For English, science subject, Marvel classes, and in Marvel math you can watch concept based videos, problem solving videos, exam tips videos and paper analysis videos. So if you subscribe that video, you can easily get all board support videos. Subscribe our YouTube channel, also join our Telegram channel. Thank you.